everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to make this video for you today because the information that I'm about to share with you will blow your mind and it will change your manifesting game forever. This information is seriously life-changing and I'm so excited to share it with you. So when it comes to manifesting, there are so many different approaches and so many different theories and so many different rules and so many different ways that you can manifest that it can sometimes become overwhelming. But I think one of the most important factors when it comes to manifesting is working from the inside out. When most people approach manifesting, they think of something they want. They think of a certain income they want. They think of a certain car they want. They think of a certain house they want. And they try and work from the outside in. You try and figure out ways to get that house, ways to get that car, ways to get that money. You're trying to find all these different sources of how you can work in the outside world to bring it into your inside world. But that's really not how manifesting works. What's going on internally is so much more important than you can even realize. So I want to start this video off by addressing why you want certain things in your life. Why do you want that house? Why do you want that income? Why do you want that car? What is the reasoning behind all of it? What is the feeling that having that certain thing will bring to you? What will that thing provide for you? Whatever you're trying to manifest, what will it provide for you? Will it provide security? Will it provide happiness? Will it provide joy? What is the underlying thing that what you're trying to manifest will bring to you? It's so important when it comes to manifesting to start from the inside. What's going on internally? What's the reasoning behind why you want the things that you want? What's your mindset? What is your subconscious belief system? There are so many different internal factors that greatly affect your manifesting process. A lot of the times, a big mistake I see people make is trying to work from the outside in. They want that house, that income, that car, and they try and find out ways to go get it, ways to go get that house, ways to go get that income, ways to go get that car, physical ways, trying to force things and make things happen. And working from an external point of view rather than working from the internal point of view. Here is the most important concept that you need to understand. The internal affects the external. That is the most simple way to explain that whatever is going on internally will show up in your external reality. Whatever you're feeling on the inside is going to reflect in your reality. So all of those feelings of lack and stress and needing this and wanting wanting, if you keep feeling that internally, that is going to be expressed in your reality. You're going to have to always keep wanting something, always going to be stressed. There's all those different factors. Whatever you're feeling on the inside is going to be directly reflected on the outside. And when I say internally, it's not just your feelings. Like I said, it's your subconscious mindset, it's your belief system, it's your mindset. There are so many different internal factors that affect what you see on the outside. When it comes to manifesting, work from the inside out, not the outside in. Start with the internal if you want to see it externally. And when I say focus on your internal, who are you? What's your being? What are your beliefs? How do you feel about certain things? You have to get clarity about your internal state before something can manifest into your reality. I see a lot of people who are trying to manifest money. That's one of the big ones that everyone wants to manifest. Everyone wants to manifest a lot of money because it gives you freedom or happiness or a big house, a big car. It gives you some kind of sense of satisfaction, and everybody wants to manifest money. But a huge factor I see is people working from the external. They start trying to find a better job. They start working longer hours to make that money. They start trying to find ways to get rich quick. They start trying to work from the outside in rather than examining what's your belief system about money. What do you feel about money? Focus on the internal feelings of your expectations and your subconscious mindset. Do you expect that money will come to you easily? If you fully, actually, truly believe that, then in your reality, money will always come to you quickly and easily. If you believe that you have to work really hard, that's what's going to be shown in your external. There is so much subconscious mind programming that needs to happen in order to manifest certain things into your life. And usually, the things that you have the most trouble manifesting are things that you have negative programming about. So you really need to focus on the internal. Journal your feelings about whatever it is that you're trying to manifest. Get down to the deep core of how you truly, fully feel about it. What were you taught as a child? What do you believe about it? What have you experienced that's affected how you feel about being able to manifest certain things? If you're trying to manifest money, what did your parents tell you growing up? How do you feel when you start thinking about money? Does it make you anxious? What are your thoughts and feelings and mindset surrounding what you're trying to manifest? Start with the internal. Who are you and what you believe are huge factors that will help you manifest things into your external reality. Once you get clear on your internal world and how it affects your external world, one of the most fun things you can do is to suspend your current reality. Suspend all belief of whatever is going on in your life, just temporarily, and see how it would feel if you already had what it is that you want to create. And instead of focusing on all the bills that are coming up, or how you can't afford that house yet, or how you can't afford that car yet, or how you don't have enough money, ignore that. Ignore your current beliefs, suspend your reality, and live in the feeling and the experience, and immerse yourself in the fact that you have enough money to do whatever it is that you want. You have unlimited abundance, unlimited income. Suspend your current reality and experience inside what you want to see on the outside. When you fully, truly immerse yourself in the experience internally, it has no choice but to show up externally in your reality. The internal affects the external. Your internal is at the core who you believe that you truly are. It's your subconscious beliefs, it's your mindset, it's your views on the world, it's your views on what you can and can't have. A lot of it's programming from your subconscious mind. So if you can get clear on your thoughts and feelings and core beliefs of who you are as a person, you can shift your entire reality and manifest what you want into your external world. There is no limit on what you can have when you're able to access your subconscious mind. Whatever you can convince your subconscious mind as true will manifest into your reality. If you can fully have that internal experience of living from and acting like the version of yourself that already has what you want, it can manifest into your reality so much quicker. Have that internal experience as fully as possible, and you'll see it on the external. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And as always, be sure to check out my website, mkmagicmindset.com, and leave me a comment below. I love hearing from you and I go through all of your comments. So I will see you in the next one.